advertising consultancy to accommodate for service expansion of marketing communication support for the Department of Health, Human and Veteran Services Overdose and Substance Use Harm Reduction Initiative.
If you wish to speak, come and have a seat at the table, please. Okay. My staff got enough information on it. Okay.
Terry, haven't this.
Would you like to go ahead and while we're waiting, or would you like to continue to wait for Dr. Shea?
Well, it kind of sounded like she was close by. Okay, all right. We started on time. That's all right, Doc.
Turn these guys off. Okay. This is a request for approval of a amendment to our My Deal Cooperative Agreement with Brogan Communications Agency. This is a contract that started in April 2024, and we're adding additional funding to the contract through September 30th, 2025, for funding that we had available to do some media campaigns around and some communications materials around. So we've added a few projects that are listed out here, various public health projects and health department projects to enlist their efforts on in increasing public awareness around these issues. So we have a STI syphilis campaign, COVID flu vaccine campaign, an expansion of our overdose and substance use harm reduction campaign that you all are familiar with, our annual marijuana safety campaign, and our department level annual report. So this will increase the contract value to 1.4, about 1.4 million.
All right. Thank you. Is there any questions of the doctor? Okay, Commissioner Anderson.
Thank you. Just wanted to ask, do we measure what effect these have? Is it possible to even measure the effect of these ads? And I assume most of these are media, right?
Yeah, so most of them are media. So we do get a report after they run around like clicks and impressions, how often they were shared. So I think that was that information is useful. It also provides us information if we want to expand a certain area because it was more fruitful than other channels, then we invest in that more for the subsequent campaign to get more reach there. So we do get some kind of summary reports after we launch each of these.
Okay. Do these particular ones have any elected person advertising on them? I mean, as far as themselves, not blatant advertising,
Yeah.
but appearances.
No, not for these. I know that we've done it in the past with, when we were doing that when COVID vaccine first came out, a couple of years ago, we did have representation and the executive Evans on certain campaign materials, but not for these. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Anyone else? Okay, have a motion, please.
Move approval, Madam Chair.
Moved by Commissioner Killeen and supported by Terry Marecki. All in favor?
Aye.
All right, hearing none, and I support. Motion approved. Next item, Madam Clerk.
Item 2, requesting commission approval of a sub-grant agreement with Metro Solutions for a Michigan Department of Health and Human Services Regional Perinatal Quality Collaborative 2025 Advancing Healthy Births Grant to support the county's Safe Sleep Matters program.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello,
Aja Harris Martin, Chief Programs Officer, HHVS.
thank you.
So we are super excited about this opportunity. I think this is one of the second grants that we've been awarded since starting a development office in HHVS. So this grant will support the expansion really of our infant safe sleep program, which is under public health. So $50,000 will go toward diapers, other things that they pass out at their annual kind of maternal health extravaganza, which is scheduled to be in September.
In September?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Commissioner Kleen.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Chair.
Mhm.
This additional money includes an additional 240 families.
Yes.
Now, so we must have a certain number of families now.
Yes.
How many is that?
I want to say it's in the 2000 range that Miss Jackson, she's a single, it's only one in our infant safe sleep program. So Stephanie Jackson, she is supporting over 2,000 families by passing out bassinets. She also collaborates very well. She has a vendors list of over, I think, 30 organizations who she partners with can direct if we don't have the resources. So we count those as well as kind of incidences of community engagement.
So where do we find these families? How do they become a part?
They can find us. So sometimes through our WIC program, and they might be kind of referred if we have. She also parades all around the city of all of the municipalities. She has fairs, so she also has kind of like a stationary table that she is also kind of going out to community health fairs and people that invite her beyond just our Wayne County.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Commissioner Marecki.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So how does this particular item fall in with the Safe Sleep Matters program?
With the Safe Sleep Matters
They're connected.
from Wayne County or from the grant?
Is the grant funding the Safe Sleep Matters?
Yes.
Oh, they are.
Of our, yes. So
And-
it's additional to
Okay, it's
what we
additional.
currently do.
Okay.
Yes. So this is $50,000 in addition to our current infant safe sleep program.
And do they go to class for the Safe Sleep one, or are they just given information about putting the
She
baby
does
up?
both. This grant won't fund educational. It is only funding supplies. That's
Okay.
what we're awarded for. But yes, Ms. Jackson does have 2 classes that she teaches education on infant safe sleep.
Okay,
Mhm.
all right, thank you.
Thank you. Commissioner Anderson.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Just a real quick question. You keep, several times you said she.
Yes.
Who is that?
Stephanie Jackson. So she sits under public health. So Ms. Jackson, she's phenomenal. She's great. She does a lot of hard work. And I would be remiss if I didn't say she is a one working show over there. So she does it all.
Great, great. Again, it's nice to see your face again.
Yeah. She always has a smile. Okay, thank you. Motion, please. Commissioner Kleen.
Move approval of this item, Madam Chair.
Thank you. And supported by Colleen Anderson. All in favor?
Aye.
And I support yes. Motion is approved. Next item, please.
Item 3, requesting commission approval of a 12-month sole source professional services contract with a 1-year option to renew with Empowerment Plan to provide 1,000 sleeping bag coats to vulnerable residents to be distributed through shelters, harm reduction services, and community resource centers to provide relief during winter season.
Okay,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Keneal Johnson, Interim Director for the Department of Health, Human and Veteran Services. So we are seeking approval today of a sole source contract with the Empowerment Plan to distribute 1,000 sleeping bags during the winter season to those individuals experiencing homelessness.
You go out in the area? Is
We
that
will
what-
be partnering with organizations, community organizations, the community resource centers, and harm reduction services to issue them the sleeping bags, and then they will in turn distribute in the community. So we ourselves will not be doing it. It'll be done through a partnership.
Okay, thank you. Any questions? Commissioner Anderson?
I see you brought something with you.
Yes,
And can
this
you-
is a show and tell. Yes.
Okay.
This is the actual sleeping bag that was designed, and we're really excited that the young woman who designed this bag and patented the design is a student. She was a student at Wayne State University College of Creative Studies. So this is the sleeping bag. It's a coat.
Oh,
That
that's
opens up
fantastic.
Owen's name off.
into a sleeping bag. Yeah. And it's easily, it can be transported easily. And then it opens up and can roll out a little bit more.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. They can actually walk in that?
Well, they can. It's a one size fits all. So depending on how big they
Oh,
are.
okay. All right.
It might be too big, but yeah, it's one size fits all.
Okay,
Mhm. But it's very warm
it looks like
and
it.
it'll be keep them warm at night.
That's great. All right, any questions? All right, then, thank you so much, and
Thank you.
we need a motion and support, please. Anderson, and supported by Colleen. All in favor?
Aye.
And I vote yes. All right, motion approved. Thank you so much. Okay, next item, Madam Clerk.
F, such other matters as may be properly submitted before the committee.
I don't know of any. Next item,
G, public comments.
is there anyone on the phone?
There are no hands raised on Zoom.
There's no one. Thank you. Is there anyone in the audience that wishes to make a comment? Anyone in the audience would like to make a comment? Hearing none, but thank you all for being here. I see Black Family Development is here. They had a really nice meeting yesterday. Yeah.
GrowthWorks is here too. Growth.
Oh, Growth Work is, you know what? I always miss her, don't I? Okay, thank you. All right, I missed your boat ride. So, thank you. Yeah, hopefully next time.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you all. Thank you for being here.
Adjournment.
And we have been adjourned. Thank you.